Hello, I'm Lisa Anderson, and today I'm going to be talking about nanotechnology and how certain animals use the principle of friction to be able to help them survive. So this is actually something that we use as well, even just with the way that our bodies are made, the hair that's on our bodies helps us to be able to grasp onto things and work with gravity. So to understand the principle of friction, something that I learned is that it's calculated as a fraction of the force due to the gravity working on us and obviously working on the animals that I'm going to be talking about. One animal that I learned about was a butterfly. So in this image, you can barely tell just with the camera, but the butterfly is more of a royal blue color, mainly in this area, and then it turns to a lighter blue as it goes down. But with the nanostructure in the wings, it causes different ridges and just different channels in the wings that tend to glimmer differently depending on the angle that you're looking at it. Something else that I thought was super cool is that with heat or just radiation in general, it will actually change color. So because of the chitin that's in the wings of the butterfly, it can change shape and will change color. So I think that's awesome, especially because depending on if another animal, a predator, even prey that's looking at the butterfly, it will be able to either adapt to its surroundings or just have a different view, depending on how you're looking at it. But yeah, so just to look at that again, you can even slightly tell that it has different channels and ridges on it, and that's just what we can see with our eyes. I'm sure it gets even more intense as you are able to look further into it. On the other hand, there is the ball python, which has small microfibrils that are actually wide enough and pointed downward toward the tail of the snake. So this would have to be in the scales of the snake. So the scales are pointed downward towards the tail that actually helps it glide more smoothly as the snake is traveling. It also helps it so that if it's going in any inclined position, so it doesn't fall sideways. So I do have a picture of a python. Obviously it has scales that again are positioned in that way to be able to help them, and in one way, of course, just like the butterfly, it helps it be able to avoid any type of predators that it may have, but on the same hand, it will help it be able to catch prey, and I'm sure it'll be, with the friction, it will hold its prey a little bit better. But yeah, that's what I was able to learn and understand about nanotechnology and the principle of friction, and those are the two animals that I was able to do some more research on. So thank you.